Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you the answer. First, we need to find the mu s. That should be about e to the power of the integral. We have negative number 1 in here, so that should be about negative ds. And you go about e to the power of negative s. So in this situation, we need to multiply e to the power of negative s on the both sides. This one s minus s, you got about e to the power of 0, so you got about number 1. This is about 5s. Next, we need to put the integral for the both sides. The integral on the left, you will got about y multiplied with e to the power of negative s. The integral on the right, you got about as plus 35 divided by 5 multiplied with e to the power of 5s. And this one you got about 7. And we have c is about constant. We have given condition in here. So we have when s is equal to number 0, so y should be about number 9. So we put number 9 go in here. Number 0 go in here. And here. And here. So you will got about 9 is equals to number 7 plus c. So c should be about 9 minus 7. That's equal to number 2. And now we go back to this one. We change c into number 2. Later that, we divide both sides with e to the power of negative s. So we will got about y is equal to as e to the power of s plus 7 e to the power of 6s. And we have number 2 e to the power of s. That's the end. Thank you for watching.